All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today, well, we have taken off the transmission, and well, the first thing you can see is obviously all of this, and maybe we can hear it. Oh yeah, it's nasty. Ooh, got my finger. But then also look at the clutch. It don't look that good, so. It's just dusty. We're just taking off the pressure plate right now and to see how the clutch actually looks. Dang, it's really on there. Huh. No? Not supposed to. Well, let's see.
Yep.
Is it not supposed to be flat?
No, it's
supposed to be grooved. Well, ooh, that's a good angle right here. If it focuses. Oh, there we go. Yeah. It was also heating up too?
No.
Just the color?
Just the color.
Yeah. Other than that, stock flywheel. I don't know why my camera looks like an Android. So what type of clutch do we find?
DK tricking.
DK. But so aftermarket, I'm guessing.
Well, yeah.
Looks like maybe it's replaced already.
Yeah, at some point.
So
It's got some life left, but I don't know if I'm gonna run it.
I'll personally get a new one. But yeah, I've never seen a clutch look like that. Almost to the point it's flat. Even mine was pretty good when I took it out one time. And yeah, flywheel. Not sure how many pounds.
It's not terrible.
Yeah, it's not terrible, but at the end of the day, it's a stock heavy flywheel. It's supposedly good for normal driving, like it's because of its heaviness, but for a race, kind of want a lightweight flywheel. But those are pricey as well too. So yeah, for sure it's gonna need a throw bearing and most likely a clutch. Pressure plate too?
Yeah.
And pressure plate. Yeah, clutch, yeah. So that's what we're gonna do, and then when I have time, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this inside because it's nasty AF. So yeah, I'll do that when we get the throw bearing. So I'll see you guys in like a couple seconds. Well, forgot to be, Jesus Christ. Well, I forgot to start recording, but we just got the flywheel on, and it's a lightweight flywheel, probably like a 10 pounder, I think you said.
It was like 9 point something pounds.
So, 9 pounds per se.
What, 15 we said on this one?
Yeah, that's pretty heavy. You can obviously.
It's not as heavy as a B series. B series are super massive and heavy.
Yeah. Well, even Rex, when I took.
You meant Rex? Yeah, you're right.
I remember when I took it off, it like freaking felt like it crushed me. But anyways, we got Excedy Pro Stage 1 clutch, basically stage 1. So I've heard, or we've heard, that basically going with Excedy is, or just upgrading, just makes it feel better at the clutch pedal. So really excited for that. Obviously excited to put this in.
Yeah, it's gonna be like an OEM plus.
And also too, the Integra does have an Excedy Stage 1 clutch with a Type R flywheel. So I'm not sure how heavy or how light those are. Not sure if they're close to 10 pounds or something.
It's a 12 pounder.
12 pound.
But I've been running this clutch, the Excedy clutch, for a lot of years. And as you guys know, my car's supercharged, so it's held up fine.
And I'm not sure if I'm going to have this video before the Integra car review or after. I might have this before, so stay tuned for the car review. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get the clutch on, the clutch plate, and then the pressure plate on. But you're supposed to, huh?
Make sure you clean all the oil off these surfaces. They come with oil.
Oh yeah.
Just for shipping, so they don't rust.
Use brake cleaner or whatever type of cleaner.
Brake cleaner works the best, but
yeah.
Just make sure you clean all the surfaces. You can tell oily residue.
Yeah. So, just with any clutch, or if you accidentally touch that, or per se the rotors with your greasy hands, clean it as best as you can. I mean, I don't think it really affect on cars, but I know for a fact on like mountain bikes and all that. I remember one time I touched that and the brakes were not good. You would squeeze it and yeah. All right, new clutch and pressure plate installed. Well, kind of. I just hand tighten these. I'm gonna wait for my dad to get back so he can bolt it down. And I think we could just put on or slap on the tranny. Yep. We're almost there. Almost there. Well, this has been quite a journey going with this thing, learning about this. So yeah, that's probably gonna be it for today's video. So, if you guys like today's video, give it a thumbs up. Sorry, I thought I was about to sneeze. Yeah, give it a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. Till next time, peace. Eat dirty. Later, guys.